your hands, it's time for fun. Splash, splash here, splash, splash there. Now they're wet and clean with care.
Banana pumps the soap just right, a bubbly blob that's pure and white.
Rub it in from palm to thumb. Watch the bubbles start to come. Apple scrubs between each finger. Germs can hide, so let's not linger. Scrub the backs and scrub the tips. Even scrub those fingertips.
Orange rinses hands just so.
Under the water, let it flow. No more bubbles left to see. Now the hands are fresh and free. Pineapple shakes and grabs a towel. Dries both hands with a fruity growl. Rub them dry from top to wrist. Now they're clean, no germy mist. Wash your hands throughout the day. Before you eat, after you play. Fruity friends say nice and clean. Now go out fresh and bright and gleam.
If you liked our fruity fun, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join the next adventure.